Would you believe a single drop of this oil can kill ticks instantly? Let's find out which natural oils actually work and which ones are just myths. Have you ever wondered why some dogs never seem to get ticks, while others come home covered in them? What if I told you the secret could be hidden inside a few drops of natural oil? Yes, the same oils that smell amazing can actually act as powerful tick repellents. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Dr. Uz Health Talk, and share this video with every dog parent you know, because today you're going to learn about the best natural oils that repel ticks instantly, safely, effectively, and scientifically proven. Now let's start with a truth many people don't realize. Ticks don't just find your dog by chance. They track them through scent and body heat. They can sense carbon dioxide and even the fatty acids in your dog's skin. So, when you apply certain natural oils that mask or repel these signals, you're basically making your dog invisible to ticks. Let's start with one of the most powerful tick repellents, cedarwood oil. Cedarwood doesn't just repel ticks, it actually kills them on contact. It disrupts their nerve function, dries them out, and prevents them from reproducing. A few drops of cedarwood oil mixed with coconut oil can be gently massaged into your dog's coat, especially around the neck, behind the ears, and tail area. It smells woody, fresh, and your dog will love it. Just make sure you use cedarwood Atlas or Virginian type. Both are safe for dogs. Next, lemongrass oil. It's not just for candles or air fresheners. Lemongrass contains citral and geraniol, two natural compounds that ticks absolutely hate. They can't stand the smell. It interferes with their ability to locate a host. You can add 5 to 6 drops of lemongrass essential oil to a spray bottle filled with water and a spoon of witch hazel. Shake it well and spritz it lightly on your dog before walks. It's refreshing, natural, and gives your dog a bright citrusy smell that ticks will run away from. But if you want a blend that's truly powerful, you can't skip eucalyptus oil. Research has shown that eucalyptus oil can repel not only ticks, but also fleas and mosquitoes. The main compound, eucalyptol, masks the animal's scent and confuses the tick's sensory receptors. Just remember, always dilute it properly. Mix 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil in 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil. Apply it with your fingertips or a soft cloth, never directly in concentrated form. Now let's talk about geranium oil, one of the most underrated but most effective natural tick repellents for dogs. Multiple studies have found that geranium oil, especially Egyptian or bourbon type, contains compounds that repel Lone Star ticks and deer ticks, two of the most dangerous species in North America. You can mix a few drops with coconut oil and dab it onto your dog's collar, or make a quick spray before heading outdoors. Plus, it has a pleasant floral smell that even humans enjoy. Another secret weapon, rosemary oil. Ticks can't tolerate the strong herbal scent of rosemary. It's natural, safe, and works beautifully when mixed into your dog's shampoo. Just add a few drops to your regular dog shampoo before bathing. Not only does it repel ticks and fleas, but it also promotes healthy, shiny fur. And of course, the timeless classic, lavender oil. Calming for the mind, soothing for the skin, and repelling for ticks. Lavender oil works by deterring ticks with its powerful floral compounds, while also keeping your dog's skin soft and irritation-free. A light lavender mist made from 5 drops of oil, 1 cup of water, and 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar can do wonders. Just spray before walks or playtime. But remember, essential oils are potent. Always use high-quality, pure oils and never apply them undiluted. Avoid peppermint, tea tree, or clove oils. They can irritate your dog's skin or even be toxic if ingested. When in doubt, test a small patch first or consult your vet. Here's a quick pro tip. Combine cedarwood, lemongrass, and lavender. Just 2 drops each in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix and store it in a small glass bottle. Rub a few drops on your dog's collar and back legs before walks. This blend not only smells divine, but gives full-body tick protection naturally. And here's something you might not know. These natural oils don't just repel ticks. They also help heal small bites and reduce itching if your dog has already been exposed. So next time your furry friend runs through grass or wooded areas, protect them with nature's own defense system, not harsh chemicals. Because sometimes the most powerful shield against parasites doesn't come from a lab. It comes from a leaf. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this video with your dog-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Uz Health Talk for more vet-approved natural solutions. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps every dog safer, naturally.